Magandang umaga po. Ay, hapon na po. Ito po ang aking tsuhin. Edad niya ay 80 na pero bumibiyak pa rin ng mga kahoy para sa winter na darating. Sukat niya kung kasya sa pugon. Yan ang uncle ko. Napakasipag. Ang lakas. He's so strong. It's really, really strong. Stronger than me. That's my uncle. He's a great man. Cut this wood. One by one. Watch and see. First, kailangan yan. 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 Kita nyo naman po. Saglit lang sa kanya. It's too easy to him to cut the wood. That's my uncle. 1, 2. Look at that, man. It's really, really strong. Alright. Alright, bye-bye.